Okay, everybody, how's it going? I'm doing a quick video to try to explain this independent STEAM research project. No reason to get uptight or anxious or have a meltdown about it. It should be pretty easy. The main idea is for you to find something that you are interested in, and there's a ton of different things in science that you can be interested in. The most challenging thing is narrowing it down to something that's manageable. For instance, uh, talking about the universe might be too broad of a topic. Talking about the solar system might be too broad of a topic. So you might want to focus on something like maybe a specific Apollo mission, like the Apollo 11 mission that landed humans on the moon. The link that's on the calendar is several pages when you scroll through. I have a hard copy right here. So let's take a look. The first page goes through some of the content I talked about in class, where some obvious things. Not every student is interested in the same topic. Not every student has the same level of motivation, and so on. So the idea is try to find something that you're interested in that relates to science. Okay, and it mentions schema, which is your background and your knowledge, and which kind of sometimes ties into what you're interested in and what you're not interested in, or what you might find interesting because you have some background knowledge. The second page goes through the examples, just like I just mentioned with the Apollo mission, trying to find something a little specific. The next page is the rubric. So if you're wondering how you'll be graded, what you should include in this presentation. And by the way, in the rubric, in the second block where it says digital presentation created, there is also another link which shows you a 10 slide example, which I'm going to go show you in class anyway. Then there's also another rubric within the presentation to class, which is the rubric from when you were doing an actual presentation, the things you need to keep in mind and consider. Finally, the last page, the last page, all right, lists a whole bunch of websites and links that hopefully, if you're not sure how to get started, where to start, what to do, hopefully some of these could help you. For instance, the branches of science. You can focus on a branch, and within a branch, you could focus on a specific topic. Um, uh, but I would suggest go with what's trending right now in science and science news. For instance, one lab roots, it's on there. Trending science. Also, here's a good one: 100 topics for science research papers, and so on. Tech Daily, Science Daily. There is so much going on in science. I mentioned this in class. Every day, all day, my computer rings with notifications of new discoveries, new medical treatments for different things. There's something. So hopefully in one of the many different areas of science, one of the many different branches of science, maybe along one of these links, you should be able to find something that sparks your interest, and just dig a little deeper, put a little presentation together, and present it to us. We'll all learn. I'll be learning from each student. I'll learn over 100 new things, and all of you will be learning as well. I'm really suggesting that you actually check all of them out. I'm not sure how many are on here. It looks like maybe 20. I didn't actually count them. But I would suggest you at least click on them, see if anything catches your eye. It won't take that long. Just click, look at it. That's not for me. Click off. Click on the next one. Oh, there's some interesting things here. Some of these stories seem like they're interesting. Oh, there's more pages than one. Click on the second page, the third page. Dig a little deeper. Oh, there's hundreds of articles here. There's things in the archive. So give it a shot. You get out of it what you're going to put into it. So I'm hoping for some decent presentations and some cool information that I don't even know about. Okay, there's a lot you can do. There's so many directions you can go with this, but the key is trying to make it specific, so it's just not overly general. So I was saying we want to, go an inch wide and a mile deep with this. So we want to go a little deeper with a specific topic. Okay, so hopefully that clears things up. I'll talk about it more in class. So until I see you in class, or in case you just need a refresher and you're still not sure. All right, watch this video. Okay, stay healthy. Apple a day.